Divide 552 by 3 in long division method. 3 times 1 is 3. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 5 and it is 25. So 3 times 8 is 24. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down these 2 and it is 12. So 3 times 4 is 12. On subtracting we get Z. So 552 divided by 3 is 184. So this much for today and thanks for watching.